Kay. Welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you are already a part of my crew, welcome back. Today we are making a colorful pancake stuffed with crispy deliciousness. This recipe is sweet with a little hint of salty. It can get a little messy, so let's grab an apron and now let's get started. Alright, first step, start with the bacon. Oh, but it's not cooked. Perfect. Alright, set that bacon aside. Next step, 6 shakeable pancake mixes. Follow the instructions of how much water to add. It says to add 2/3 cup of water, so we're going to do just that. After adding the water, next step is a little messy but fun. We are going to add some colorful food gel food coloring. First, red, rojo. I'm using stirrers. Just grab a stir, dip it right inside, get a nice generous amount, stick it in, and stir. Add the lid, and shake. Next color is orange. And this packet doesn't have orange, but of course, just like what we learned in school a long time ago, you add red and yellow, it makes orange. So we're going to do that. Start with that red again. Another stir. Next, that yellow. Add the lid. Make sure the lids are on nice and secure, and then shake. Next is yellow. Remove the lid. Another fresh new stir. Make sure you don't use the same ones because you'll mix all the colors together. Add that lid. Nice and secure, and shake. Okay, so far red, orange, yellow. Next, green. I just want to add to let you know, just in case you get it on your hands, counter, wherever, the food coloring is washable. Just wash with soap and water. Shake. Okay, red, orange, yellow, green, and now blue. Add the lid. Shake. Last but not least, purple. Don't forget to add that lid nice and tight. Then shake. Alright, so we have all 6 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I'm going to be a little extra today, and I'm going to add even more colors. So I am going to add some sprinkles today to each container. Gonna add about a tablespoon to each one, and then give it a good shake, and then we'll be ready for the next step. see, got a little messy. That's okay. Okay, next. So now, shake the purple up and then we're all done. Okay, all 6 are done. Let's put this away and let's start the next step. First we start off with greasing the pan with either butter or cooking spray. I like to use butters. Looks like the butter is all melted, so we're gonna start. Let's start with the first color. We have red, aka pink. Just pour it into the pan. Add the bacon. And then grab that color again and pour it right on top of the bacon. Cover up that bacon. The best way to know when to flip it is when you see the little bubbles on the edge of the pancake. That's when you know when to flip. So we'll wait till then and then we'll flip it. Okay, it's time to flip. Wish me luck. Perfect. Alright, both sides are done. Get this out of here, put it on a plate. And there you have it. The first color. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it one more time with the next color. And then I'm going to finish them up. Okay, the butter is melted. So we're going to start with now the orange. So just pour the orange, nice long line, like so, the bacon. And then pour the color, same color, on top. Wait till you see the bubbles on the edge, and then you know when to flip it, and then just continue to keep doing the different colors, adding the bacon. Okay? Now it's time to flip. Perfect. We have the red back here, or pink, and we have the orange. I'm sure you guys got the hang of it, so I'm going to do the rest of them, and then I'll come right back. Okay? Alright, they're all done. Look at this pretty color. Ah, so pretty. The red, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. Ha, so colorful. Look at that. Matches my dress. We're gonna move those slightly out of the way. Let's start that icing. Okay, we got a pot of powdered sugar. Okay, next ingredient is cold water. We are going to add it gradually into the pot of powdered sugar. So let's add that. If you add too much powdered sugar in, it's still not the consistency that you want, that you desire. Just add more water. If you add too much water, you can add more powdered sugar. It should be the consistency of like a glaze. Hopefully you guys can see this. I am using the brand Wilton's Gold Sanding Sugar. Okay, let's see here. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Look how pretty. Oh, look how shimmery that gold is. So pretty. Put as much as you desire of the sprinkles inside the powdered sugar. Gonna grab a little stir and just stir that around a little bit. Okay. That should be done. Look how beautiful this color is. Look how gold and sparkly that is. Alright, so let's just pour the gold on top. Oh, look how pretty that is. It almost looks like butter, but no. It's gold. Pour that gold right on top, like so. Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh wow, it really sparkles. Lucky Charms. So we're going to add some Lucky Charms to the top of that. Okay. Just sprinkle it right on top. Ooh. Colorful Lucky Charms. I want to get a lot of the marshmallows. Ooh, especially the rainbow. So we got some Lucky Charms. Gonna add a little pop of white color. So gonna just sprinkle a dash of powdered sugar right on top. Let's top it off with some whipped topping. A little more of the gold. And then you're done. The pot of gold pancakes. Silly me, I forgot to show you the bacon on the inside. Let's break it apart. See, you can see that bacon right there in there. I always love doing the colorful recipes. They're so much fun. Well, that's my time for today. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen and cooking with me. If you like this video and you want to show me some love or give me some luck, give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop a new video. And if you have any questions, comments, or requests, leave them down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Alright, cooking and kisses.